Welcome to our channel, where we showcase the ultimate gear and gadgets for campers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a seasoned camping pro or simply love exploring the great outdoors, we've got you covered. Today, we're thrilled to present the latest and greatest in camping gear. From ingeniously innovative to irresistibly cool, these must-have gadgets will make every camper's dreams a reality. So, grab a seat and get ready to discover the top new camping gears and gadgets. You won't want to miss it. Number 1. Self-inflating bed with frame. Easy Bed is an incredible self-inflating bed in a bag. Easy Bed is a fantastic compact air bed that self-inflates and deflates at the turn of a switch in less than 2. Turn any room into a bedroom in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Unzip the portable case. Step 2. Plug in and turn the switch to inflate. And Step 3. Sit back and relax as Easy Bed does all the hard work for you. Easy Bed gives you all the comfort of a normal bed with the added convenience of a speedy setup and easy storage. With a simple turn of a switch, air is pumped into the mattress. The innovative concertina design extends and unfolds from the case to a full double-size bed in less than 2 minutes, all at the turn of a switch. Now you can treat your guests to a fantastic night's sleep without the hassle. And when your guests have left, simply turn the switch and let Easy Bed deflate. Then all you need to do is push the frame into the case, zip up and wheel away. Number 2. Grill Caddy. The Grill Caddy is the ultimate outdoor cooking solution. With 7 compartments, including a paper towel roll holder and 3 hanging hooks, you can store all your grilling accessories, spices, and utensils in one place. Its wooden handle makes it easy to carry and perfect for outdoor activities. This multi-purpose caddy is made of heavy-duty steel mesh construction and is easy to clean. Perfect for grilling, camping, picnics, and outdoor dinners. Number 3. LED Gloves. Introducing the latest innovation in outdoor lighting, rechargeable LED flashlight work gloves. These gloves feature bright LED lights on the thumbs and forefingers, providing hands-free lighting for night fishing, hunting, camping, and more. With adjustable stretchable straps and USB Type-C charging, they are comfortable, easy to use, and hassle-free. Say goodbye to bulky headlamps and hello to convenience and efficiency with these rechargeable LED flashlight work gloves. Number 4. BioLite Camp Stove 2. Meet the next generation of fire with the BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus, a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity. So you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time, featuring a patented thermoelectric design and an integrated onboard battery. You can turn your fire into power in real time or store your electricity for whenever you need it. The LED interface provides instant feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds. To control the size of your fire, use the included flex light to illuminate your nighttime cooking with accurate color. Render technology and integrate with BioLite accessories for the perfect camp kitchen. Number 5. UCO Stake Light 10 Stake. Introducing UCO Stake Lights, the perfect solution for setting up your tent in the dark. These illuminated tent stakes make it easy to identify and set up your tent with a perimeter of light or a strobe mode for better visibility. With 17 lumens of light for up to 10 hours in area mode and flashing light for up to 24 hours in strobe mode, you can now easily find your tent even in the dark. The on-off switch is integrated into the lens and glows in the dark, while the stake lights are made from durable 6000 series aluminum and LED is in a highly water-resistant TPE housing. Additionally, the LED can be easily removed and used separately. Number 6. GoSun Fusion Solar Oven. Meet the GoSun Fusion, a solar-powered oven without compromise. More than a solar oven, the Fusion stands on its own as a complete cooking solution. It's portable, easy to carry, and yet large enough to feed a family. It's time to upgrade your cooking game with the GoSun Fusion. If you don't have sunshine, cook anytime with its patented high-efficiency electric heating element, using the same amount of energy as this light bulb. What's their secret? The heat is trapped inside a perfectly insulated vacuum tube, making it the most efficient electric stove in the world. If you want to live off the grid or prepare meals on the go without making a mess or burning your food, GoSun Fusion is for you. Number 7. Foldable Kitchen Camping Cabinet. This camping kitchen table and cabinet features a roll-up aluminum tabletop, a windshield, and 2 side tables, providing ample storage space for grills, cooking tools, and other supplies. It has a 2-tier detachable storage organizer for placing utensils in order. The camp kitchen is easy to install, with a simple unfolding, leg adjustment, hasp and button locking, and hook and Velcro tying. The reinforced X-shaped structure and durable MDF tabletop ensure a high load-bearing capacity, and the premium Oxford cloth is waterproof and weather-resistant. The foldable and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, and it can be set up or broken down in less than a minute. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor activities, such as picnics, barbecues, and tailgating parties, enhancing your outdoor experience. Number 8. Handy 5-in-1 Kitchen Gadget. Make cooking and camping easy with this simple but genius home kitchen gadget set. This 5-piece set includes a straight peeler, julienne peeler, cheese grater, pizza cutter, and bottle opener, all made with ultra-sharp blades and ergonomic handles for easy use. Not only are they functional, but also elegant in design, making them great for gift giving. With their compact size and removable locking ring, they are perfect for camping and RV kitchenettes. Plus, they are rust-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and easy to clean and store. Number 9. Retractable Portable Toilet. The TripTips retractable portable toilet has 8 adjustable heights for all ages, is quick and easy to use, and made of modified ABS plastic with 70 locked buckles and non-slip bases. It has a functional cover design that can be used as a camping toilet, collapsible stool, storage box, side table, or trash can. The toilet is ideal for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, long trips, fishing, boating, and indoor use as a portable potty for adults and kids. It comes with a waterproof handy bag for easy transport and storage. Number 10. Portable Solar Fridge Freezer. Introducing the ACO Power Lion Cooler Pro Portable Solar Fridge Freezer, a versatile and powerful cooling device with a large 30-liter capacity. Its energy-efficient compressor can reach 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius in just 20 minutes in max mode. It comes with a 193 Wh removable lithium battery that can be charged through different power sources, including solar panels. The RV fridge can be remotely managed via a free Bluetooth app and has a digital smart control panel with electronic temperature control. With a portable design featuring stretchable handles and 6 off-road wheels, it's perfect for outdoor activities like camping, fishing, and sports events. It has 3 levels of battery protection mechanism to prevent your vehicle battery from running out, and the sound when running is only 40 decibel, providing a quiet and comfortable environment. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed discovering these amazing camping gears and gadgets that are every camper's dream. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends who love camping as much as you do. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.